Hi friends, it's Deborah with Be Vintage Style. Welcome to my humble abode. I am about to take on a huge renovation here at the 1903 Victorian house, and I thought I'd tour you through it really quickly, give you an idea of what exactly we'll be doing and a few of the details. So welcome to the front entrance. The house is really full of character still from the early 1900s, and although it is more chopped up than a modern home, it's quite open for the age of this house. Next, let's head on over to the fireplace sitting room, which is full of character, and our beautiful dining room, which gets a flood of sunlight in the mornings. I get a ton of sunlight in this house. There are 6 sets of bay windows, so I get so much light, except for in the one space I spend the bulk of my time, which is our kitchen space. So I'm hoping that this renovation will really help to remedy that and allow more sunlight to flood into that area like it does into the rest of the house. The kitchen actually has 3 entrances. It doesn't have an L shape to it, which makes it a little tricky to try and make a good layout. But I'm hoping that by removing a few of the walls, it'll not only feel more open in here, but it's also going to function better for me. It is a long time coming, folks. I have been dealing with a drippy faucet for months and months. And I've resorted to putting a jug in there. Or most recently, I've just decided it is almost as easy to go under the sink and shut the hot water off, which is the tap that is dripping so bad. So a little bit annoying, but each day I run my water for dishes and then I go underneath and shut the tap off. Works like a charm. Okay, let's talk about my kitchen cabinets. My drawers and cabinets are so old. I literally have to hip check my drawers to shut them. The cabinets, well, they are a whole nother story. Some of them don't stay shut. So I, the genius that I am, fold up little pieces of paper and wedge them into my cabinet doors. Otherwise, the cabinet doors just bounce open the whole time. Works like a charm. It's all perspective and trying to find the positive. And if we're trying to find the positive on my leaky faucet, if I ever need a drink of water, my jug is always full. So just to show you a little bit more of this area, I have a beautiful set of stairs at the back of the house that comes down into the kitchen, but it's very blocked off. Years ago, we built sort of makeshift temporary cabinets in this area using shutters. It's actually really, really pretty and one of my favorite spots in this kitchen. So I am actually going to miss the look of the shutters, but I am not going to miss this storage area. The electrical panels are back here. These are getting moved. It is sort of just pieced together, not professional at all. I cannot wait to actually have a cabinet area there. And just a few other things that are happening, like the buttons on the dishwasher have all fallen off, the door sometimes falls off, and the liners in the drawers and cabinets are all coming off. It's time for a new kitchen, my friends. Now let's get to the fun part. What will we be doing? We are removing 3 of the walls. The one from the back staircase, the one going into the fireplace area, which also connects to where my French doors are. So the French doors are getting moved as well. I love these beauties. There was no way that I was not going to keep these as part of our home, but we definitely need to move them. These beautiful triple French doors are now going to be put between my front entrance area and the family room or living room area, which is going to be much better than this small single door. It's going to give a lot of impact when you walk in from the front door area. It's going to give a lot of light transfer between these 2 rooms. I'm very excited to move these doors, and I'm excited that my kitchen is going to be more open. I have a really exciting idea for my fireplace, which I'm really hoping will work out. We'll know a little bit more as time goes on, but stay tuned for that. All of the renovations I've done on our 1903 historic home, I've always tried to stay true to the age and character of the house. So we'll be having wooden windows built by a local carpenter here. We'll also be adding these beautiful doors from France that I was able to find that are going to just be a showstopper in the kitchen. I was able to find unlacquered brass faucets that will be in our kitchen space. These ones came from England. And last but certainly not least, I've wanted honed marble countertops forever. When I was in France, I saw so many places that had these, and I cannot wait for these beauties to end up in my kitchen. It's going to be much brighter with these lighter tones, which will be perfect. Stay tuned.